All right, hey everybody. So this week what we're going to be doing is we're going to be setting up our main menu. Now our main menu is actually going to hold both what we're doing this week and what we're doing next week. This week we're just going to focus on the actual main menu itself, and then next week we're going to add the level select menu to that main menu. So to start, what we need to do is we need to create a new scene that's going to hold our menu. So we're going to go into our assets folder here and enter the scenes folder. In here you can just see default scene. That's the first scene that opens when you open the project for the first time. It's just an empty scene. We can leave that where it is, but we're going to right click, go to create, and then select scene, naming it menu scene. Once you've got it open, go ahead, or created, go ahead and open it up. And the first thing we want to do is add this to the build settings. So to add it to the build settings, we're going to go to the File tab in the top left and go to Build Settings. And we're going to hit Add Open Scenes. And then you'll see it appear at the bottom here. We actually want to reorder this. We want this to stay at the top so that this is the first scene that opens when we open the project. So if yours starts at the bottom, you just need to click it and drag it up to the top here so that it's 0. On this side on the right. Once you've got that in place, we can go ahead and close that menu and then right click on our hierarchy, go to UI and Canvas, and we can leave that just named Canvas, but we do want to add a component to this canvas. So we're going to go to hit the canvas and we're going to go to add component. And we're going to add this main menu script here. Here you need to define what base scene you want this to take your player to when you hit start game. So if you have multiple base scenes, you need to pick which one you want the player to start in. If you're just using one, you're going to enter the name of the one you have. So in this project, I only have my desert base, so I'm just going to type desert base and get that in there. We also want to change this UI scale mode on our canvas scaler to be scale with screen size. That's just going to make it so our menu grows and shrinks based on the size of our player's monitor. And then lastly, actually that's it. So once we have that change to scale with screen size, we have our main menu script attached to the canvas and all that other stuff good, then we can go ahead. Well, actually, one more thing. I do recommend switching back to your game view here, just like we were in the minimap steps. But once you have it, go ahead and save your scene.